President Bongbong Marcos' cabinet members will not attend the second Senate hearing on former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest by the International Criminal Court, according to Senator Imee Marcos' office. The senator's office received a letter from Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin dated March 31, which was addressed to Senator Marcos and Senate President Cheese Escudero. Based on the letter, Bersamin says the officials had sincerely answered all the questions to the best of their knowledge, providing all information elicited by Senate committee members. He reasons that further participation may no longer be necessary at this time, citing the fact that Senator Marcos publicly relayed her committee's initial findings. The palace official also reiterates his position of invoking the executive privilege of the officials in the proceedings, as stated in a letter he sent to Escudero on March 20. Executive privilege is a constitutional doctrine that allows high-ranking officials to withhold some sensitive information. Bersamin believes all matters not covered by executive privilege have already been extensively discussed. He also points out that 4 pending Supreme Court petitions relate to Duterte's ICC arrest. Bersamin argues that the petitions are closely intertwined with the issues being deliberated in the hearings. According to Bersamin, further discussions on the matters may violate the sub judice rule, which could unduly influence ongoing proceedings. Senator Marcos says the expected absence contradicts Malacanang's earlier position that it will not hinder the officials from participating in the hearing. Senator Marcos earlier presented the panel's preliminary findings, pointing to supposed glaring lapses in Duterte's apprehension. She said the government does not have the obligation to arrest and surrender Duterte to the ICC. However, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro disputed this, saying the Philippines has a commitment to cooperate with Interpol. Led by Senator Marcos, the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations held its first hearing on March 20. The panel seeks to investigate the arrest of Duterte for crimes against humanity charges before the ICC. Duterte was arrested at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on March 11 and was flown on the same day to The Hague, Netherlands. He is currently being held pending his trial for crimes against humanity allegedly committed during his administration's drug war. The former president had his pre-trial hearing on March 14, while his confirmation of charges is scheduled for September 23.